Welcome everyone. Let's draw the Christmas tree. We start with little cute star. Don't forget, the stars always smile. Step 2. We draw the leaves. We make 3 stacks of leaves.
The farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the
After
dell.
that, we draw the tree trunk.
The farmer takes the wife.
Oh yeah, we put decorations in leaves. And the tree always smiles too. The stars love yellow.
The wife takes the child.
Lightning color.
The wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse.
It's time to color of leaves.
The child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cow
Shadow
takes the
with
dog.
darker color.
The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse.
And then,
The cat
lightning
takes
color.
The mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese.
Brown is color
mouse
the
takes
tree
the
trunk.
cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The
Shadow.
mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The
And
cheese
now,
stands
we
alone.
color a decorations.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o.
Red,
The cheese
blue,
stands alone.
purple, and many more.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone.
Oh wow! I love the tree. It's luck and amazing. Whoa! Whoa! Finishing with the background. Pink is my favorite color. Give some detail dot in the background. On finish. The Christmas tree is finished.